Bananas. They're in your smoothies, your snacks, and even your desserts. But did you know this humble fruit has a history as rich and intriguing as its sweet flavor? From its surprising origins to the mystery of why it's technically a giant berry? Yes, you heard that right, a berry! Stick around because today, we're peeling back the layers on one of the world's most fascinating fruits, the banana. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your breakfast the same way again. Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and fruit lovers, to the Grow Channel. Today, we're diving deep into the history, origins, and mind-blowing facts about one of the most popular fruits in the world, the banana.
Whether you grow them in your backyard or just grab them from the store, bananas have a fascinating story that stretches across continents, cultures, and centuries. But here's the problem: most people don't know the true history of bananas. How did this tropical fruit become a global staple? Why do bananas seem to ripen faster than any other fruit in your kitchen? And what's with the claim that it's a berry? We're here to answer all these questions and more. So grab a banana and let's dive in. The story of the banana begins thousands of years ago in Southeast Asia, particularly in the region now known as Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Wild bananas, however, were nothing like the sweet, seedless varieties we know today. These ancient bananas were packed with hard seeds and had very little fruit. Over time, selective breeding led to the development of the seedless bananas we enjoy. From Southeast Asia, bananas traveled to India, where they were first recorded in Buddhist texts dating back to 600 BCE. Alexander the Great is said to have encountered bananas during his campaigns in India around 327 BCE, and introduced them to the Western world. By the time of the Islamic Golden Age, bananas had spread to the Middle East and Africa. When European explorers began their voyages, bananas found their way to the Americas. The banana's journey to the Caribbean and Central America marked a turning point. These regions became prime banana-growing areas thanks to their tropical climates. By the 19th century, bananas had become a commercial crop, leading to the rise of companies like United Fruit Company, now known as Chiquita. Today's most common variety, the Cavendish banana, is a relatively new development. It replaced the Gros Michel banana, which was wiped out by a fungal disease in the mid-20th century. However, the Cavendish is also under threat from another disease, highlighting the fragility of monoculture farming. Bananas are a global fruit, and they go by many names depending on the region. In Spanish-speaking countries, they're often called platanos, though this can also refer to plantains. In the Philippines, they're known as saging. In India, they're called kela. In Swahili-speaking parts of Africa, they're called ndisi. And in some Caribbean islands, you might hear them referred to as guineos. This diversity in names reflects the banana's journey across continents and cultures. Bananas are more than just a fruit. They're part of traditions, cuisines, and economies. In some countries, banana leaves are used for cooking and serving food, while in others, bananas are central to religious ceremonies and festivals. Here's the twist you've been waiting for. Bananas are technically berries. Let's break it down. Botanically, a berry is a fruit that develops from a single flower with one ovary and has multiple seeds embedded in the flesh. Bananas fit this definition perfectly, even though they don't look like what we commonly think of as berries. But there's more. Bananas grow in clusters called hands, and the individual fruits are referred to as fingers. The plant itself is an herb, not a tree, because it lacks woody tissue. Pretty wild, right? The next time someone asks you to name a berry, you can confidently say banana and blow their mind. Did you know? 1. Bananas are radioactive. Bananas contain potassium-40, a radioactive isotope. Don't worry, it's completely harmless unless you eat truckloads of them. 2. Bananas are a nutritional powerhouse. They're packed with essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies love. Let's take a closer look. Potassium. Bananas are famous for their high potassium content. This mineral is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure, muscle function, and nerve transmission. One medium banana provides around 10% of your daily potassium needs. Vitamin B6. This vitamin plays a vital role in brain development and function, as well as in the formation of red blood cells. Vitamin C. While not as abundant as in oranges, bananas still provide a decent amount of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost your immune system. Fiber bananas are a good source of fiber, which aids digestion, promotes feelings of fullness, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. 3. Bananas are nature's perfect snack. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars, bananas are an ideal energy booster. That's why athletes often eat them during competitions. 4. The banana split origin. The famous banana split dessert was invented in 1904 by a pharmacist in Pennsylvania. It quickly became a hit and remains a classic treat. 5. Bananas in pop culture. From the iconic banana peel slip in cartoons to songs like Banana Boat Song, Day-O, bananas have a lasting impact on entertainment. So not only are bananas delicious and convenient, but they're also a fantastic way to fuel your body with important nutrients. The banana's journey from wild fruit in Southeast Asia to a global staple is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a testament to the power of agriculture, trade, and culture. Bananas aren't just a fruit, they're a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and global connection. What's your favorite way to enjoy bananas? Smoothies, desserts, or straight from the peel? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video as appealing as a ripe banana, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories about your favorite fruits and vegetables. And don't miss our next video, the surprising story of the pineapple, a royal symbol turned tropical treat. Hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when it drops. Thanks for watching, and as always, subscribe to the Grow channel for more tips on natural health and gardening. Together, let's grow a healthier, greener world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.